What's going on, y'all? Master Yoshi here. Welcome to episode 3 of the CBR of my CBR. In this episode, I'm gonna get this bike ready to get the frame repaired. And in order to do that, we gotta remove the tank and we gotta remove my busted, twisted up subframe. I've ordered new parts for both of those, so they gotta come off anyways. Let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery, starting with the negative terminal first. All right, so now I'm gonna siphon out the gas out of this thing to remove the tank. Technically, you don't need to remove the gas to remove the tank, but I'm gonna need the fuel pump off of this one to put on a new one anyway, so might as well just do it now. And to do it, I'm just gonna use one of these old cheap gas siphoning pumps. So all you do is stick the long tube up in your gas, put a thumb on the shorter one, and pump. If it ain't getting nothing, you gotta adjust it. Sometimes you can put too much hose in, and it'll curl up in the gas and not actually be submerged in it. There we go. And we just want to keep this below the gas tank. I have good ventilation in here, but I think I want to put a respirator on anyway. Y'all see the point? I'm gonna put a respirator on and finish this off. All right, yeah, so almost done. I hooked this up to, or taped it up to a socket extension because that thing keeps curling, the hose keeps curling up on you and it makes it almost impossible to siphon anything.
All right, y'all, let me explain what's going on here right quick. So I was following the Hayes maintenance manual for removing this tank. And that manual says to remove both the black and brown connector, start the engine, let it idle until it stalls to relieve the pressure in the fuel line. Now I've done this before and it worked, but this time, as you can see, it's not working. The bike won't start. So since it's worked before, I thought maybe my battery's just dying. So I tried to juice it up, still wasn't working. So then I referred to my PDF version of my Honda manual and they say only disconnect the brown connector. Same thing, start the engine, let it idle until it stalls. So I'm not sure why it didn't work the way it did in the past. Maybe there just wasn't that much pressure in the line. I have no idea.